Okay, écoute mec. Yeah, so I already started half the process, but anyway, KSI. Listen, I'm gonna teach you how to cut a pineapple properly, bro. Um, yeah, so no more tesseract pineapples. You cut off the top. This thing goes first, right? My sister's watching me and smiling. And then you cut these, you gotta shave these sides off, but stick as close to the skin as you can. Alright? The bottom is okay. I like the way you cut the bottom, but you can try to stick closer to the skin again. Like that. Yeah, so now we've almost cut fully, but see how I'm sticking to the sides, KSI? And my family says I need to go even closer to the skin, but ça c'est une autre histoire. Alright. Looking forward to KSI smashing Jake Paul's face in, though. That's going to be awesome. Logan Paul doesn't stand a chance against Mayweather. Seriously. Oh my goodness. See that? How to actually cut a pineapple. Alright. There we go. See that? And then the last thing is really just taking out these little bits of skin that you don't want to be eating. See, sometimes it's better to not rush things, you know? Take your time. Like that, right? And when you're done, you're done. Quand t'as fini, t'as fini. C'est comme ça. And then when you get a little bit annoyed and tired and you just want to be done with the whole process, go there. Cut it up into sections now. Yeah. Yeah. See that? Cut it up into sections. See? And see, this excess stuff, that unwanted stuff can go. I have my sous chef here. Can I take that, please? My sister's going to help me with this. Take that head of the pineapple there. The head. And when you pluck the leaves from the head of the pineapple, if it pops out easily, you know you're got a ripe thing there. Yeah. Right? Last bit of garbage there. Here. Actually, pass me back the head. And I'll show them what I'm talking about here. So, this leaf comes out easily, like that. That's a ripe pineapple there. Okay? J'ai appris ça de mon père. Alright. I'm going to cut this up into pieces now. Ooh. Third bowl. Okay. You're going to need a third bowl. Pass me a third bowl. Pass me a third bowl. Yes. Okay, cyanide stuff. Yeah. Going, you know, he's showing how fast and swiftly he can cut it, but come on. Here's the care part. That's what I want him to try again. I want KSI to try again. And I want him to try to cut it with more care. There. I said it. All right. Just eating as I cut. Slivers here. Alright, so that's how you do it in a nutshell. fini. Profite-en. Et à plus tard, mes amis. Alright, KSI, let me see you do it again, and then we'll go from there. Alright? And also, everybody, subscribe to my channel. MCB Music on Instagram. MCBmusic.net is the website. And YouTube, while you're watching it, come on now. Support me. Let's get it. 2021. 2021. Je peux pas attendre. Let's go. Allons-y.